Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyo, bayang karalista. Muli na naman tayo nagbabalik dito sa Metro Manila Turf Club Inc. Kasama ang ating Silver Bullet Productions para sa gaganaping Araw ng Maynila Racing Festival. Napakarami ng ating mga magiging sponsors ngayong araw at malalaking pakarera. Siyempre, handog yan ng pamunuan ng Araw ng Maynila. Ganon din ang MMTCI at meron din tayong PCSO sponsored charity race. Abangan natin, bayang karalista, ang mga kaganapan ngayong araw at mga kasama natin mamaya. Yorme, Mayor Isko Moreno Dumagoso, kasama rin si Vice Mayor Angela Leite Atienza at iba pang mga konsehal, barangay officials ng syudad ng Maynila. Kaya naman, tutukan natin yan ngayong araw dito lamang sa Silver Bullet Productions.
Horses for the 2026 Pirocom Grand Copa in honor of Manila Mayor Isko Moreno Domagoso. Worshipful Master gets so immediately moving up the audience and King. And third comes Roll 359 King James in fourth number 8 and Idar is running up the tip of the field. With Worshipful Master, the leader by a neck. Audience and second is King. Three lengths watching them is Roll 359. And in fourth comes King James Latrobe and along the back to High Dollar. Racing down the back stretch and it's them Worshipful Master Parid King by the ground for the leader. Parid King on the outside. Worshipful Master is running by Umbrella. And in third by the top 6 lengths it is a 1-3-5-9. King James still in fourth, then comes Latrobe and High Dollar. But it's still Worshipful Master still goes on by Hatalenga. On the outside Parid King, King James in third, 1-3-5-9. Latrobe and High Dollar with Worshipful Master still in front, Parid King on the outside, King James. Here comes Wall 359 for Latrobe and High Dollar. Worshipful Master, Parid King, King James, Wall 359 in the middle portion. And it's still Worshipful Master, King James, Parid King, Wall 359 is on the outside. Now we have King James, Wall 359, Parid King, King James takes the lead. Wall 359 on the outside second. And it's still King James, Wall 359 moving up. Latrobe on the outside. But it's still King James, Wall 359 is on the outside. And finally it's coming to be King James, Wall 359.
Maraming salamat muli sa inyong suporta sa ginaganap na Araw ng Maynila Racing Festival ngayong araw dito sa MMTCI Racing Complex. At syempre, hindi natin palalagpasin na makapanayam ang ating butihing Yorme, Mayor Isko Moreno Dumagoso. Good afternoon, Yorme, at welcome po sa MMTCI.
Ay, thank you. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat, lalong-lalo na sa bayang karerista. And again, susugan ko yung sinabi mo, maligayang kaarawan din ng araw ng pagkakatatag ng ating minamahal na lungsod ng Maynila. No? At ito nga, nandito tayo ngayon sa taunang muling pagbuhay ng Grand Copa Manila sa araw ng Maynila. As you all know, lalo na shoutout sa ating mga lolo't lola na karerista nung araw pa. Itong Grand Copa na to ay talagang pinangunahan ng alkalde ng lungsod ng Maynila na si dating Mayor Ramon Bagatsing. When I became mayor, niresume natin yung tradisyon at kultura ng lungsod ng Maynila. Bagamat nandito tayo sa Batangas, hindi pa rin maialis sa puso't isipan naming mga Manileño na itong sports na ito ay nagsimula sa lungsod ng Maynila, sa San Lazaro at Santa Ana.
That is correct, Yorme. So dating nasa Santa Ana at San Lazaro, ngayon ay nalipat na sa Batangas. Pero ang tanong ko po, Yorme, sa inyo, paano po natin mahihikayat kaya naman yung mga ibang kabataan na ma-appreciate din po ang horse racing bilang ating sporting heritage?
Oh, it's a good career also, being a trainer and a jockey. No? Lalo na, as you can see, disenteng laro naman itong nangyayaring ito. At in the other part of the world, ito ay nagbibigay ng maayos na kabuhayan sa mga individual na involved, no, sa yung behind the camera, kung sa tawagin natin, trainer, doctors, and so on and so on. So darating ang araw na it can be an industry in the country. Pangalawa, bagay na bagay tayo mga jockey. Kasi by its very nature, yung size natin, fit na maging jockey ng kabayo. So, kaya tayo, tingnan natin as in our own little way as city government to continue to support the horse racing industry.
Thank you so much, Yorme Isko Moreno. Nakikita niyo po ba in the future na maaari pa rin bang maibalik ang karerahan sa Maynila?
Wala nang space Oo. We wish to, but wala nang space. But every race naman, because of the existence of off-track racing bet station, maluwag namang tinatanggap sa lungsod ng Maynila. In fact, nagiging na rin puntahan ng tao kasi dati takilyera lang ang kausap mo. Ngayon, may TV na, tapos may kainan na, may banding na, and so on and so forth. So those are the things that we encourage to play legitimately and create opportunity for everyone.
Thank you so much, Mayor Isko Moreno Domagoso. Naku, maraming salamat sa oras po na binigay po ninyo sa amin at hopefully by next year.
Congratulations kay King James.
King James,
Oh,
ang
siya.
nanalo sa pakarera mo ngayong araw.
Congratulations. Tapos yung sinasabi mo bago kita naputol, kung umaasa kayo na dito gagawin ulit next year. Ang sagot ko ay opo.
Yun. Ayan, thank you so much. Confirm Bayang Karerista, confirm po na dito ulit sa MMTCI.
Ang laki ng benta
Ang laki po, milyon-milyon ang kada double natin. So thank you, Mayor Isko Moreno Domagoso sa inyong oras. At Bayang Karerista, marami pang pakarera ang tabayanan po natin. Thank you, Yorme.
Thank you.
Hope and Racing Sherwood Fountain looking for the lead, followed by Birchstone Speedrunner and the Amoy Parense or in the middle portion now, then followed by Ready to Risk It All, and out the straight day travel now. Sherwood Fountain leads Mahalan, followed by Speed Runner in second, and down in there very close now. Ready to Risk It All, and followed by Birchstone and Jamoy Firenze. Next in line is racing in Pippa. And as they will down the back, Sherwood Fountain, here comes the challenge now from Speed Runner. Sherwood Fountain still in front, followed by Speed Runner. Challenge for the back. And watching in third, Ready to Risk It All, and followed by Birchstone and Jamoy Firenze now for the outside pit as they race the last 600. It is still Sherwood Fountain. Sherwood Fountain still in front by half length, followed closely by speed runner for the outside and 4 lengths for the back. You're ready to risk it all. And 300 to go. It is the Sherbet Fountain leads by some 2 lengths now, followed by Speed Runner. And down the stretch they go with still Sherbet Fountain. Sherbet Fountain leads by some 3 lengths now, followed by Speed Runner. And running in third, Birchstone. And at the wire is Sherbet Fountain.
Races the rubble for front position is 3 12 moving up cheaper, moving on the outside, the right wings of Kala, on the way up Manila, the down inside Sky Warrior, then next in line top and wash on the outside, then come forward by the is Daily Burn, back to the leader. Now we got entry number 7, Shiver Ripping right by the Sky Warrior. And in third comes East of Kala, and 4 Street Swap. Daily Burn in 5th, then found in 6th, Tabin Wash alongside Manila Neve. Then Pagay Parang Pasayan del Campo, inside the bag. Sky Warrior takes the lead, Shiver Ripping on the outside, East of Kala. Here comes Street Swap, coming closer in 4th. And in 5th position comes Daily Burn, Manila Neve. Then Sky Warrior, Shiver Ripping, base of Calari outside. Street Swag is running by Manila. Sky Warriors, still by a line, base of Calari outside. Shiver Ripping, then Calari inside, Street of Deliver. Manila Debe also coming closer. Sky Warrior, base of Calari outside. And there's Shiver Ripping, then comes Street Swag. Sky Warrior, base of Calari outside. Shiver Ripping, Calari inside, Street Swag. Now we have base of Calari takes the lead, running by the Sky Warrior. Street Swag on the outside. Base of Kala by a lane Galhela. And inside is Sky Warrior going up top and watch down on the inside Barang Pasay. But it's still Miss Okala, Sky Warrior on the outside. Miss Okala by about 4 and finally Miss Okala, Sky Warrior.
Bayang Karerista, natunghayan nga po natin ang mga nagagandahan at naglalakihang mga pakarera ngayong araw na ito sa selebrasyon ng Araw ng Maynila Grand Copa de Manila, kung saan sa race number 3 pinanalunan ng kabayong King James, ginabayan ni Jackie LF de Jesus, at ito'y pagmamayari ni Big Boss James Anthony Rabano at kinondisyon ni Cap Felix Lauron, ang nagbag ng ating Grand Copa Division 1 Stakes Race in honor of Manila Mayor Yorme Isko Moreno Domagoso. At ganun din yung numero 5 Sherbet Fountain na segundo llamado naman ang nanalo sa Grand Copa de Manila Division 2 in honor of Councilor Joaquin Domagoso, ginabayan ni The Black Superman Mark Angelo Alvarez, pagmamayari ni Ginoong Gabriel Gaerlan at kinondisyon naman ni trainer Dante Salazar. At syempre, hindi rin matatapos yan dahil nagpanalo rin ang kabayo ni Senyor Patrick Uy na Color Blast, dehadong kabayo dito sa race number 6, kung saan ito naman ay pinanalunan niya at inuwi ang MMTCI sponsored stakes race in honor of the late Manila Mayor Ramon D. Bagaching Sr. At yung ating race number 7 na PCO sponsored stakes race na pinanalunan ng malayong segundo llamadong kabayo na si Miss Ocala with CS Pare Jr. At pangalawang panalo ito ni winning horse owner Gabriel Caerlan at kinondisyon ni trainer Christian Noel Abobo. At syempre, congratulations din sa lahat ng mga nanalo ngayong araw na ito sa pakarera ng Maynila. Ayan, so mga bayang karerista, maraming salamat muli sa inyong pagantabay at pagtutok dito sa Silver Bullet Productions. Ako pumuli ang inyong lingkod, Brian Centeno, at mabuhay po tayo lahat.